Hello, welcome back to the channel, Cars, Guns and Fun. Thank you for watching the channel. I know that you are very busy, but thank you for clicking on the video. And today I'm gonna show you my handguns. If you notice, maybe I put up a video showing the 1911s only, the 45s, the 9 and even a 22. So I decided to do this video separate from the other guns. So now this is only on pistols. And eventually I'm gonna do one only on rifles, and then the other one only on shotguns. And then after that, then I'm going to do the whole collection all together. So let me just show you that this is a CC that is clear. Okay. So this is a CC, the model 75B single action. This is a 9mm, really nice. I like how it has all these beautiful lines on the top of the barrel. This is ambi safety. You can see the tip of the barrel, 9. And the type of grips that I have on this one, these are kind of like metal grips, really heavy. I think they are about probably like 6 ounces. And then I got these special grips, screws. Really nice screws that I got. The trigger on this gun is real nice. It's under 4 pounds. Really nice and smooth. Okay, so now let me show you a revolver. So again, it's clear. So this is a 22 LR. This is the Frontier Scout model. This is a 1965. This is a collector's edition model. This one, they only did a run of 700. And I'm proud to have the number 5910. This is the number 5910. This one from factory came plated like this. It has some nice design on the bottom of the grips. And then you can see the Colt medallion right there. Nice checkering on the hammer. Really nice. So this one, I have taken it to the range a few times. And what I did is that I bought this Colt cylinder. This is a nickel plated, and the reason that I purchased this is because I didn't want to damage the original one, because you know, the carbon is really bad, and then when you clean it, you know, the solvent's been strong. I was afraid to wipe off the gold, so is what I did. And over here we have a Taurus PT92 AFS. This one, it came from factory with the controls already plated, the rose wood grips. The only thing that I did is that I sent it to a place to get it polished. That's the only thing that I did. So that's why you can see that it's nice and shiny. And this one has the rail for light or laser. The frame is made of aluminum, so you can see kind of like the tone difference on the material. The other part is stainless steel, but it's really nice. This is a double action. I like it really much. And I have this is a Browning. This is a Marvel back mark 22 LR, really nice bluing, target size. You can even see the Browning logo on the top of the sight. It has high-vis sights, red. I do have also the green one and the yellow. And then if you notice on the back strap, it has some lines, really beautiful painted. It's kind of like the American flag. You can even see it here and here. So this one is been produced since 1985. They still make it today. This particular model is a model of 2006. And I do have the holster for the Browning, really nice. And then it also has a little pocket to put one magazine, and then I have all the magazines for the CC, for the Taurus, really nice. That I put these plates, some ammunition here, Winchester, Fiocchi, Herters, and then for the 22s I have Aguila, that's made in Mexico. I have Federal here, Winchester, information about the Colt revolvers, and of course I have the horse that I really like. I do want to thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned. In just a few days I will be doing the other videos. And thank you for watching. Car Guns and Fan. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.